Okay, so a friend of mine told me about a pond. Or a friend, my cousin, and I'm bored. It's pretty hot out. It's like 10 a.m. We're gonna see if we can catch anything. Not very windy, so we'll see what's up. But yeah, let's go. Okay, so it looks like the pond I wanted to go to is on private property, and I don't sneak onto private property. But on the way there at least we've seen this, I don't know, this like gate thing, and it's open. And there's a pond right over there. So I'm gonna go over there. Yeah, let's go over there. Merchandising. Walk 10 feet to scout it out. Yep. Private property. Time to go find another pond. Shouldn't be too hard. I'd probably just go on the other side. Oh! Back to driving. Okay. Pond hunting. Take 2. Except this time, I think I found a good one. Yeah. You see, this one doesn't say private. And, well, let's take a look. Yeah, these are all pads, which means I can go frogging in here. I just gotta find myself a good spot to lay up, but I'll catch you guys when I find that spot. Okay, so I didn't find anything really good. It looks like most of those spots to get to the other side are on private property. So I'm not going to be running around because I'll probably get shot if I do. So I think what I'll do is I'm just going to, you saw the beds, and not really the beds, just the large line of plants and lily pads. I'll probably just rig up a small frog and then just toss it along right off the shore here, right along the side. And then hopefully something comes out. I think they're probably just hiding in the bottom there, and if I can just really agitate the crap out of them, they should just pop right out. So, yeah, let's get to it. Okay. Looks like there's not much action here on the frog, so I'm gonna go to a lay down over there and try our wacky rig Senko. I did not realize how murky. This water is. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna put on a spinnerbait because I don't think the Senko is really gonna work in water this murky. But a spinnerbait that gives off a ton of vibrations, I think that might do it. Guys, look. Free swim bait. Nice. Okay. We'll perch up here. Time to change spots. And here we are. New spot. Let's rig up and get fishing. I see a good sized bass right here over this ledge. I'm gonna drop a Senko in real quick. See if I can't just whip him off on the first cast. Hey guy, hey guy, hey guy, hey guy. On the Texas Rig Senko, 5-inch. Look at that color. Look how black he is. He's not even like green, he's like a bronzy color. How funky. First fish of the day. Release him. Yes! First fish down. Oh, there's a frog right here. Damn, he's gone. Yes! Wasn't getting anything today at the other spot. The spinner bait. First pond was a bust. Couldn't get in. Second pond, nothing. I'm liking this. This is a really shallow, murky thing, but I saw him and I only had the Senko rigged and I just tossed the thing out and it smoked it. I think what I'm gonna do now, put on a small frog and flip it out there and rip it along the pads and see if I can't get a bigger boy to come and smack it. Yes, I'm so pumped right now. Well, I think I'm going to call it a day. Not that great. I caught that first bass and that wasn't that bad and that kind of got me going, but it looks like they sort of died down. I got a nice blow up over there, but he didn't come back. So I think I spooked him off, or he hit it once and then didn't want anything to do with it. So I'm gonna pack up my stuff and I'm gonna go home. Well, guys, it was a nice video, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.